Eat 12 carrots, 16 beans, and 1 cinnamon stick.
I don't think that's gonna work, Papa. That's just gonna... Yuck, Papa.
The book told me to.
Wait, did it work?
Looks like it.
Oh, I'm so jealous. Do we have any carrots?
Looks like she celebrated a little too soon.